Tired of sky-high rent prices and feeling like affordable housing is a myth? Then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to use Zillow to unearth those hidden gems, average or even below average rental opportunities. First, head over to Zillow.com. In the search bar, type in the city or neighborhood where you're hoping to find a rental. Let's say we're looking in Austin, Texas. Once the map loads, you'll see a bunch of listings. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the filters button, typically located near the top of the map. Click on filters, and a menu will pop up. Scroll down until you see the price section. Here, instead of leaving it open-ended, set a maximum price that's slightly below what you perceive to be the average for the area. Do some quick research beforehand to get an idea of average rents. Websites like RentCave or Apartment.com can help. Let's say the average is $2,000. Try setting your max price to $1,800. Next, consider adjusting the beds and baths filter to reflect only what you absolutely need. Being flexible on the number of bedrooms or bathrooms can significantly expand your options. Click Apply, and Zillow will update the map to show only rentals that meet your criteria. Now, take your time and browse through the results. Pay attention to the details of each listing, look at the photos, and read the descriptions carefully. Finding affordable rent takes a little effort and patience, but with these Zillow tips, you'll be well on your way to discovering your next budget-friendly home. Good luck, and happy house hunting.